What's up, everybody? My name is Scott Landry. We're gonna talk about how to use to go, and how to say how to get used to go, and if you have a few records, stay tuned, everybody. Alright, so I get how to get the work, so get it done, and I get to get to the kid, Kenny Garrett plays the saxophone right here. And so anytime you want, you get it. Go to the website at www.scottlandrysaxophone.com. Go to Snapchat at scottlandrysaxophone.com. Go to TikTok at scottlandrysax.com. And go to Skype at scottlandrysaxophone.com. Follow us on Twitter. Follow us on Facebook. Follow us on Twitter. And follow us on Instagram. And the next set a few years ago. So how to get down there, how to get to work. And try to get to there, but how to replace it, get there. And you try to get hungry there. And you try to get there. So in the most of the time, you try to get it. You have to get the G in it, you have to get it. G sharp, F sharp, E, and C sharp. Like this. So pay attention. This is how you make a sound of the saxophone. It's called Kenny Garrett. How to get the lick and lick a sound of it if you're trying to get a few goals and make the team. But we are trying to get up. You're trying to get out to get just everything was going on. And you try to use your ear. Use the saxophone with the ear. So how you try to get it, you try to have it, you use the sound and click it up. And then how to get it down there, you try to make some sound of the difference. Any types of saxophone. I'm gonna use the boom box. So listen, Dad. Alright, here we go. Alright, let's try that. Excellent job. I just did try everything. This is my part. I love this part. We try to get it down there and you get the record. This a plate. This a backing. This is sound backing. This is a backing track. Voice recorder. And then record your phone. Record your YouTube. And record your voice recorder. And record your laptop computer and anything. And you did that, you go just how to get down there and ba da 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 ba da 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 ba da 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 on your saxophone. And on my voice too.
It's plugged in and it gently warms it. So by lunchtime, it's
Let's listen to it again. I just play without backing track. Let's try that. Let's do that again. Piece of cake. Better do this. Thank you for watching. Just click the subscribes. Click the bell. Comment, like below, description, and subscribes. Thumbs up. Thank you for watching. I will see you next video. Hot sauce. Thanks a lot.